Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about video editing in CapCut, that how to edit videos in CapCut. We choose CapCut because CapCut is very easy and handy to use, and everyone can learn this software for video editing. So in today's video I will teach you what are the keyframes in CapCut. Keyframes are very important things. You can make custom animations with the help of keyframes. So these are very important as a beginner for video editing. So let's move towards our CapCut PC and let's see how to use keyframes. So I choose this video and drag it on timeline, and then I choose this image and drag it here, and I spread the image. So now I decrease the size of the image. So now I want to animate the image in the way that it starts from here and comes along with this and touch here, after that go downward, then there and out. So this is the way of animation. So I put this here, this image is here. Now what can I do? So in position and size section you see here a diamond button. This is the keyframe. As you can see, it shows add keyframe. So here I add keyframe, and after that at this point of the video or picture I want another keyframe and place the image here. So let's see what's happened. So as you can see, the picture is moving and animating, and at this point it will be placed here. That's great. After that I have to, at this point I have the image to be here. So the keyframe is automatically added, and after that at this point the image should be out in this way. So let's see. So as you can see, this is our custom animation, and if you want to increase the speed, then decrease the length between keyframes. So in this way we can animate anything any way we like. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.